Hello and welcome back to the Banjo Family Fun Channel. My name is CharBanjo.
And I'm JoeBanjo.
And today we're going to be opening these Flintstone, Tom Jerry, Yogi Bear, and Looney Tunes full case of Mystery Minis by Funko. They're vinyl figures.
They're Warner Brothers vinyl figures, and as CharBanjo has said, there's a whole bunch of different ones: Looney Tunes, Yogi Bear, Tom and Jerry, Flintstones. Let me see the box so I can show them.
These are what my dad, CharBanjo, grew up with.
So there you go. There's the top row and the bottom row. And so we're hoping to open these and not get any duplicates. So, CharBanjo, you want to start?
Yes. Just to say, one of them is, I don't know, so it's almost a full case.
Mm-hmm.
So we're opening the first one, and we get... CharBanjo, do you have the scissors?
I don't think I have the scissors with me right now.
Okay, I got it. There we go. Ripped it open. Ooh, we got this guy.
You've got, oh, his name is escaping me right now. Oh, I forgot his name.
Comment down below if you know his name.
He's,
from Yogi Bear.
yes, he had his own show. I forgot what his name actually is, but there he is. That's the first one for you.
He is a 1 out of 12.
Okay.
Let's open this one. I hope to get Tom and Jerry and the ones from the Flintstones. Because Tom and Jerry and the Flintstones are good.
Mm-hmm.
So, comment down below if you've opened these before. And we get Yogi Bear. Joking. I just want to do that. So, we actually get... Who's this guy? He has cheeks. He ain't mouse. Looks like.
Yes, that is, an exclusive one.
Ooh, yeah. He's a 1 out of 72.
1 out of 72.
He's a very exclusive one, then.
And,
Trees.
I want to say, well, he's not Speedy Gonzalez. I'm not sure what his name is either. Huh.
Comment
There
down
he
below
is.
if you
1
know
out of
his.
72, which is a really good one.
It's one of those super, super, duper rare ones. Because it's the highest you can get in this. No, you can also get a chicken for 1 out of 72.
Mm-hmm.
Or a rooster. Let's see if we can get all the exclusive ones. So we are going to get... Comment down below which shows you've watched. And, this one. In this case. We got Yogi Bear. Wait, I think it's Yogi.
Yes, that's Yogi.
We got Yogi Bear. He is a...
And there's Yogi for you.
He's a 1 out of 6, so you can get 2.
Hey, boo-boo. Hey, boo-boo, I got a picnic basket.
And we're going to put him right in front because he's the smartest. Let's see who we get next. I hope for Tom and Jerry still. And the Flintstones. So far, I don't think we got any from Looney Tunes. Oh, no. Wait. Yeah, we haven't, I don't think. So, the chicken is from Looney Tunes, so it says on the side of the box. And we have, let's see. Hey, boo-boo, you want a picnic basket?
Oh, we got 2 Yogi Bears. There's the second Yogi for you. Okay.
2 Yogi Bears. Let's see who we get next. Hopefully not a Yan or Yogi. But it is a 1 out of 6, so there probably isn't. Well, most likely there's not another one. We got one duplicate so far, and that's a Yogi Bear. Oh, this is so small. Let's see. We got another exclusive. We got Tweety Bird.
Wow. There's Tweety for you.
Tweety is a 1 out of 36, and it's exclusive.
Ah, that's good.
The last one that's exclusive is this cat.
That's Sylvester.
Mini Sylvester. Let's see if we can get Sylvester. Let's see. Because Sylvester is a 1 out of 36 too. So, yeah. So, 1 in 3 cases.
Excuse you.
Oh, we got the little knight from Looney Tunes, I think.
That's Marvin the Martian. Let me hold them up. There's Marvin the Martian for you. He's really cool.
He is. These are also very detailed.
And
he even has an M for Marvin the Martian on his little flag. Let's open the next one and see who we get. And Marvin Martian was a 1 out of 6. So, if you're wondering. Ah! He fell! I like how they're so detailed. And, they're all balloon. Funko is a really good company, and they also make their stuff really detailed. And I like how they do a bunch of different... I popped it. And I opened it when I was popping it. We got this guy. He's quack.
Daffy Duck.
Daffy Duck. He's a 1 out of 6.
There's Daffy Duck for you.
Daffy Duck. Let's see. We have 4 more boxes. Let's see who we get. Hopefully not another duplicate. Okay, nice. Okay, I did that. And it wasn't a big pop. And it just opened right away. Oh yeah, it just opened. Nice. Wait. We got Bugs Rabbit.
Bugs Bunny.
Not Bugs Rabbit. Bugs Bunny.
There's Bugs for you.
He's a 1 out of 6. 2. So far we have Yogi Bear, the blue guy.
Oh, I just knocked them all down.
Yeah. Okay. Yogi, stand up. Ah! They're all falling. Let's just stand up really quickly. Tweety Bird, I would say, is like is like the smallest and the cutest so far. And I like all of them. Tweety is so cute. Okay, let's see who we get in this one. Ah! 3 more left. Okay, they're just gonna lay down.
I think I want Fred Flintstone next.
Yeah, Fred Flintstone. He would be good. I wanted him too. He's the only one from the Flintstones in here, right?
Yeah, him. And then Yogi's by himself. There's no Boo Boo.
We got Fred Flintstone!
Ah, there he is. Fred Flintstone.
He's a 1 out of 12.
Yabba dabba doo!
Yay!
And there's Fred for you.
And we're gonna leave him right there.
Lower down the camera so you can see all of them.
So far, we have all of them on the top except for Tom and Jerry. And 2 of the exclusives. And the Martian one. And Daffy Duck.
I'm excited to see who we get next. Let's see, who we haven't got yet.
I want Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry, that'd be cool.
Yeah. Imagine Tom comes in this one, or Jerry comes in this one, or Jerry comes in this one, Tom goes in the next one. That would be cool, because they're back to back. Oh, if you hear whining, that's our dog.
Yes, that's Puppy Banjo.
Papa Banjo. Oh, I see horns. I see something gray. I see another Bugs Bunny.
Ah.
We got 2 Bugs Bunnies. So far we have 2 duplicates. This is the last one. Let's see who we get this time. We are going to get, drum roll please. Oh, he hasn't even. Okay. Oh no, he fell. I popped it open. Another Daffy Duck.
Oh, 2 Daffy Ducks.
So 3 duplicates. So
Oh, that's okay.
All we got. JoeBanjo, which one's your favorite?
Let me zoom in.
JoeBanjo, which was your favorite?
Hold on. Let's see. There they are, all zoomed in. So again, we got
Daffy Duck.
2 Daffy Ducks.
2 Bugs Bunnies.
We got 2 Bugs. We got Fred Flintstone.
Tweety
Oh,
Bird.
just knocked them all down.
Tweety Bird.
Tweety Bird.
Yogi Bear. 2 Yogis.
2 Yogis. Marvin the Martian. And, Huckleberry Hound. The blue one is Huckleberry Hound. And I'm not sure who the mouse is, unless it's Speedy Gonzales. So I would say my favorite would be... Let me back this up a little bit. So my favorite would be probably... I don't know, Fred Flintstone or Marvin the Martian. I like Marvin.
I like Fred Flintstone and Tweety Bird and Yogi Bear and Daffy Duck and Bugs Bunny and Marvin the Martian and the cheese guy and the blue guy.
Huckleberry Hound. Yes, they are all good. I think Funko did a really good job with these.
Him. I love him.
I think Funko did a really good job with these.
Yeah, they did with all the details.
Yeah, and they look really, really good.
Even his picnic basket.
So yeah, those are the Warner Brothers blind boxes from Funko. So leave us comments and let us know what your favorite is.
And comment down below if you've opened these before.
And remember to like,
subscribe, watch more of our videos. If just like this one. We also have more unboxing full case ones up now, and we also have. We also can also leave a comment and turn on post notifications, and we'll see you guys next time.
See you later. Bye-bye.
Bye.